Welcome to my presentation, my dear learners. I am going to read out an article from the Daily Sun education related pages. This article is written by Mohammad Rukunuddin. Now I am going to read out in details. There are many advantages to the classic habit of reading paper books, even in contrast to the increasing popularity of electronic media in the world of reading. The pages of a paper book provide a sensory effect that beckons and establishes an intimate relationship with the content. Absence of displays minimizes eye strain and focused, engrossing environment for reading provided by the absence of digital distractions. In addition, physical books provide sensory sense of reminiscence and a physical escape from omnipresent digital presence in our lives. A concrete and intimate library is also established by process of sorting and collecting actual books, which contributes to the provision of physical representation of a reader's literary history. On balance, reading books in traditional way provide a wholesome multi-story experience that's superior to the convenience of electronic media. Reading books other than textbook is especially important to individual academic, social, and personal growth. Textbooks are reading required for academic learning and knowledge of topics, but reading outside of them broadens one's perspective, develops critical thinking, boosts creativity, and enhances one's overall well-roundedness. There are many benefits of reading books across the genres of and authors outside the realm of standard educational text. Firstly, study material beyond textbooks goes towards cultivation of curiosity and learning. Both friction and non-friction books offer variety, issue, viewpoint, and storytelling as compared to textbooks that tend to specialize in particular facts and theories. Every book, whether fiction or non-fiction, offers a different point of view for reader to perceive the world. This variety provokes the curiosity of people and urges to them learn outside of the scope of traditional learning all their lives. It also increases critical thinking. Books of various types tend to make people analyze, internet, and integrate transformation themselves, while textbooks teach them in organized format. Novels, for instance, force readers to identify subtext and acknowledge character motives, causing analysis to occur. Exposure to numerous different writing styles and viewpoints and also help people critical judgment skills, which aid in the better judgments of materials in various contexts. Reading beyond text books is powerful stimulus to creativity. Having the ability to bring two seemingly unrelated things together is one aspect of creative thinking that cannot be avoided, and books containing vast diversity of viewpoint and thought can be through non-textbooks and particularly friction through its other words, people and circumstances provokes the imagination through character in frictional situation from varied backgrounds and cultures. Readers can enhance their empathy as well as creativity. Additionally, text other than textbooks contribute notably to communication and language ability. More forms of terminologies, idiomatic expression, and words become known to people through varied reading materials as compared to their jargon used in textbook. This exposure aids language abilities and facilitates effective communication. Also developed through reading books, articles, and other types of written text is one's written ability and how craft one's writing. Reading outside textbook is at a societal level helps make one better educated and enlightened citizen. Reading books introduce reader to other ways of thinking, culture, societies, and history. This results in tolerance, compassion, and the ability to have effective dialogue with people of diverse background. An educated public is better equipped to handle the complexities of modern life, resulting in an open minded and tolerant society. The acclaimed author Janetry Winterson observes books and doors are the same things. You open them, you go through into another world. In conclusion, one cannot overstate the importance of reading books other than textbook. Besides encouraging personal growth, such reading develops the cultural and intellectual growth of society. At large, reading beyond textbooks is instrumental to becoming well-rounded individuals capable of effectively grappling with the complexity of the 21st century. Does not this by providing a wider description of the world, enhances language proficiency, encouraging critical thinking, inspiring creativity, and sparking curiosity for newer knowledge. Thanks to everyone for hearing me cordially.